A dripping bathtub faucet can waste water and become frustrating fast. The good news is, replacing the cartridge is easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a leaking bathtub faucet cartridge, remove the old cartridge, install a new one, and stop the leak. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Bathtub faucets can vary slightly depending on the manufacturer and model. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Start by checking whether the leak is coming from the hot or cold side by feeling the water. Once you've identified the leaking side, shut off the water supply before beginning the repair. After the water is off, turn the faucet handle fully to the open position. Then remove the center screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Pull off the handle and remove the outer trim to expose the cartridge. Step 2. Remove. If the cartridge is recessed inside the wall, use the correct cartridge socket to loosen it by turning it counterclockwise. Then pull the old cartridge out of the valve. Inspect the cartridge. In many cases, the washer on the bottom is worn or damaged, causing the leak. Since cartridge sizes vary, take the old cartridge to a hardware or plumbing supply store to match the correct replacement. Step 3. Install. Before installing the new cartridge, make sure the retaining ring is installed if your replacement doesn't already have one. Thread the new cartridge into place and tighten it securely. Then reinstall the trim and handle. Turn the water supply back on and test the faucet. If the leak is gone, the repair is complete. If it still drips, check whether the cartridge on the opposite side also needs to be replaced. That's how to replace a leaking bathtub faucet cartridge and stop the drip. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.